Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change icons on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. This is a great way to personalize your home screen and give your device a fresh new look. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, press and hold anywhere on your home screen background. This will bring up your customization menu where you can access various display options for your device. Once the menu appears, tap on Wallpaper and Style. This section contains all your personalization settings, allowing you to customize how your Pixel looks and feels. It's your hub for making visual changes to your interface. Now scroll down through the options until you find icons and tap on it. This is where you'll have complete control over how your app icons appear on your home screen, from their shape to whether they display names underneath. The first option you'll see is Style. Here you can choose between two main looks for your icons. Tap on it and select either Default, which keeps the traditional colorful icon designs, or Minimal, which gives your icons a more simplified and uniform appearance. Choose whichever matches your preferred aesthetic. Next, tap on Shape to explore different icon outline options. You'll see various shapes available like circles, squares, rounded squares, and more. Select the one that appeals to you most. This will change how all your icons are framed, giving your home screen a cohesive and polished look. After that, tap on Names. You'll notice a toggle button here that controls whether app names appear beneath your icons. If you prefer a cleaner, more minimalist home screen, you can disable Show App Names by tapping the toggle. If you like having labels to quickly identify apps, keep it enabled. This choice really depends on your personal preference and how familiar you are with your app layouts. Once you're happy with all your selections, look to the upper right corner of the screen and tap Apply. This will save all your customization choices and implement them across your home screen immediately. And that's it. You've successfully customized your icons on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, giving your device a personalized touch that reflects your style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.